This is literally the entrance to their future home. Guys, this does not get any more high-end and luxurious than this. One of the showcasing, or one of the model rooms right over here, as you can see, gonna have beautiful open windows that will give them the view to the entire Sunny Isles Beach right in front of us. That's the beach. Beautiful Miami, beautiful South Florida. There's a saying that says, we live where most people vacation. As you can see, this is the model building of the upcoming Bentley luxury residence. What better innovation than Opulence? Now you see it, now you don't.